Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to open a file and read it into an array and print it out. So it's quite a simple program. I've already got a text file on my desktop which is called file, simple file there. So that's the one we're going to be reading out. So let's create a subroutine called read array. I'm just going to call it read array like that. And we're going to print a message to the user. Print reading file. Add a new line there. And then we're going to pause it for 1 second using sleep, and we add in 1 here, which means 1 second. And now we're going to do the file handling bit. So this is open my scalar file handler here, and we're going to open it, and we're going to use this to read it. Okay, so this is for reading, and then we're going to state the location and the name of the file, which is on my desktop. Users mark desktop, and the name of the file, which is file.txt. Okay, we're not just going to finish with that just at the moment. 1 second. Right, so I'll just check that. Yeah, that's users. That's my desktop path. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you'll have to use your own unique desktop path. Then we're going to do the error handler or die, and simply a generic error message there with error. Okay, and here we go. We're going to create my, and then we're going to create an array here called lines, and assign it to the file handler. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create another subroutine here called print file, and we're going to pass it the argument inside of the lines here. Okay, so that's where the info is. Right, so we just come down here and we're going to create a subroutine called print file. And I'm going to use the print command again to tell the user what is happening, and at this moment we should be printing the lines from inside that file with a new line there. Again, we're going to pause it using sleep for 1 second so we can see it working, and then we're going to do my, I'm going to do lines here. We're going to do this array here. Okay, and then we're going to feed the lines into that array, and then we're going to print that array out. So this is going to be print add new line. Okay, so now all we have to do is call this program, which is called read array. Let's save it, run the program, reading file, printing. Okay, being read from the array. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that program, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscription button below. Bye bye.